Hi everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sleepy sidekicks. So Wyatt and Zena are helping me out with today's video. And I have got a surprise in, which I am going to share with you, but it was an unexpected subscription from Bolzano Handbags. So I did do one back in September, and I got one in the mail yesterday, which I was not expecting. So I'm looking forward to checking it out and bagging it with you today, and we get to share in the surprise. So Wyatt's not as excited. It's a bag, not a box, so he thinks there's no chance for a 2 days in a row of bark box, right? Why are you so funny? What's with that expression? Huh? Yes, you're a goofball. Zena's here. She knows there's treats in the room. Huh? What are you doing? You being silly girl? So she's here. She's in a good mood today, huh? You're in a good mood today. So, Bolzano Handbags came in a bag today. It feels soft, so I'm excited to check this out. It's a handbag and accessory subscription. It's a monthly subscription valued at $250 for only $33.95 a month. So, I think it's a fun subscription for those that like to switch out their handbags on a regular basis. So I'm really excited to see what is in here. You fill out a questionnaire so they do know what your preferences are, what size bags you like, what kind you like to carry, as well as what kind of jewelry you like. And so a stylist does curate your bags and your jewelry for you. So you do get things that are your preference. So I know for my last video and for my last subscription that I got, they did provide me with a code so that you could get a free gift if you use that code, if you want to check out the subscription. It was Little Box Gift. So I will share that down below. Hopefully that code is still good. So if you did want to check out the subscription, you could use that code and get a free gift. So let's check this out. So here's what it looks like. This looks very nice. There's the little Bolzano signature logo there. So, what does it say here? Sign up today and receive a free Moroccan Oil valued at $34 per companions, only $8 a month. Receive 2 to 3 name brand fragrance and or cosmetic items with your monthly subscription, plus free shipping at bolzanohandbags.com. That's what this little insert here says. So there's all kinds of fun stuff in here. There's a free little gift. What is that? What is that called? The little piece for your phone, so that you can hold on to your phone. I forget the name of that. Ugh, what's that called? See how it goes on your phone, and that way you can hold on to your phone. I don't have one on my phone right now. So this says, take the survey and tell us what you love or what you'd like to see. Free gift from Bolzano. Happy New Year. We love our members. So very cute. I know a lot of people that I know love these on their phones. I might have to try that out. So that's very cute. I know you guys will tell me what that's called. I forgot right now. I'd have to look that up. So I'm super excited to see what is in here. So they do give an explanation of Bolzano and the brand. So I'll read you just a little bit here. Bolzano handbags and accessories are depicted by sophisticated styles, a variety of material, leather, nylon, and vegan leather, an array of fashionable colors, luxurious feels, quality hardware, compartments, and exquisite craftsmanship. Each of our products is crafted with today's woman in mind. They allow the contemporary woman to express her unique look with meeting demands of her lifestyle. They embrace distinctive shapes, unconventional patterns, and flirts with hip details, reminding women that they can have it all. So luxury, style, elegance, and quality come together in our must-have accessories. So there is more information in here. Zena's getting feisty. There's a lot more information to tell the story about the woman that started this. So lots of information. What are you getting feisty? I think she wants a treat. So she's getting super feisty, or she wants me to just get to the bag already. So let's see what's in here. I love this bag. The little duster that it came in has the little handles at the top. How cute is that? You want to see what's inside, or do you just want a treat? Is that what you want? Let's pull this out. And now that I said the T word, I'm in trouble. Look how pretty this is. So this is what I'm seeing right off the bat. I love this little scarf, which actually goes so nicely with this leather bag. So this leather bag does have these nice leather handles here. I love how they come in protective plastic while they ship. This is very pretty. I love that it has these pockets both in the front and in the back here. There's pockets on both sides. And they're actually big enough that I think I could fit my laptop, like slide my laptop in there. I could use this as a laptop bag, which is awesome. So the accessories is not only this scarf, but I also see here I have a little bag of jewelry. So let me get this, check this out. I need to get everything detached so I can show you how pretty this is. I love the neutral color of the bag. I'm so loud. This is so loud, huh? Wyatt has completely lost interest. Let's check out everything independently. I'm going to go for the bag since I started talking about it, and then we'll talk about everything else. So I did take the plastic off of the straps here. Look how pretty that is. Sorry. So this is a very nice size bag. I don't think it's too big or too small. This is actually a perfect size bag for me, which is the size that I told them that I like. It does have, like I said, these very, very deep, deep pockets. So if you guys can see that, both sides. It does have the zipper in the middle. Look how deep that is. And it has a zipper pocket on the inside here. That's nice and deep. And it also has, look at that, like little, almost like a pencil holder, like pencils or pens here, as well as little compartments on the inside too, that you can almost put your phone or other things as well in there. This would actually make a really nice laptop bag, work bag. As you could also use it as a purse as well. So pretty much this could serve both purposes. I really like this. So like I carry a little crossbody, and if I didn't want to go whole hog and carry like an even really bigger tote, I could carry my crossbody as my purse and carry this as my laptop bag if I wanted to. Otherwise, if I didn't need a whole lot, I might be able to combine everything into one with this bag. It's very cute. The material feels very nice. I like all the stitching in it. They do have their emblem here, and then the hardware on both sides. They do have the leather for the zipper. Yeah, this is very cute. I like that it has the extra stitching here down at the bottom as well on the corners for some reinforcement. It even has room here, so in case the corner were to start to split, it wouldn't, because they actually already have some room here for it to give a little bit on both sides. So I like that. That's a nice little extra detail. So the scarf, very, very cute. I love how it comes with in the little bag with the handle. That's so cute. So this is a very silky scarf with a bunch of people on horses. Isn't that cute? Little horse and carriage there. Very cute colors, goes well with the bag. If you wanted to tie it to the bag, or else wear it as a scarf. And the jewelry, whoops. It also comes with, this looks like a bracelet. Yeah. So this is the bracelet. Can you guys see that? Let me see if I can get it on real quick to show you. It does have a little, it's adjustable. You can see the hook as a regular hook. And it does have some extra room to make it adjustable for different sizes. And considering I am right-handed, I'm gonna have to go here. So this is what it looks like. I do have it on the last hook, so it's a little bit loose right now on me, but I can adjust that. As you can see here, I can adjust it. So, very pretty. I like that it has like the gold and the black. I can actually slip this off because I didn't put it on very tight. Let me show you another look at it. It has the gold and the black. I bet you guys can see that. Very cute. So all three pieces would be $33.95 plus the free gift. It's gonna drive me crazy. Is it called a popper? I forget. Darn it. Yeah, so the value, like I said, is $250. You get it for $33.95 a month, and you get a new handbag and the accessories each month. And these are some other examples of, you can see in the picture, some handbags that could be sent to you, and accessories, it looks like. It's a cute little watch. Very cute. The designer is Leilani Cardoso, and she was born in South Florida. So this all is within the U.S. that it ships from. So this scarf is cute. I wonder which way I could try it on for you. It's a shorter one. See how long it is? It's a shorter scarf. Does not go with my outfit at all, but it does go nicely with the bag. Super silky. Very cute. All right, so this was a nice surprise. I was not expecting this bag to come, so it was a super nice surprise. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me and my sidekicks. Wyatt is asleep. Zena is still awake and staring at the treat table. Aren't ya? Aren't ya? So, please, please, please consider hitting that like button. I will put all of this information down below in case you'd like to check out this subscription service. I think it's pretty cool. And I would love, love, love it if you would join the fun and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. We love the support and we're so happy to have you join us. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye-bye.